Here's the flesh-eating alien virus in action. And there's my poor earlobe. What the hell? I just got out of the bath. A nice mild muriatic acid bath where I scrubbed some nodules out of my eyebrows, and it's starting to feel like my eyebrow again. This one's a little better. The left eyebrow was bad. And all of this stuff there is still where it's quite active when the planes fly over. He's crazy. He thinks airplanes are killing us. Oh my goodness. What the hell is that? It's probably its little fucking hideout, right? Okay, it's my hair. Hair? What the hell? I don't have hair. Obey. Tell people about chemtrails and 9/11 and Oklahoma City and Waco, and don't believe that bullshit cable story about Ruby Ridge. The crazed gunman was a US fucking sniper sent there to kill them. Anyway, I'm waiting for a plane to fly over, see if I can get a nice video of this thing throbbing and starting to ooze shit out of the middle, right where those little white spots are. Isn't that lovely? Wowzers. I'm pretty sure it's a viral fungus combination. Something like that. Okay, I guess that's it. If I live, I will update the channel. Thanks, subscriber.